WellSaid Labs Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to this WellSaid Labs review, where I'll be discussing the features and performance of this text-to-speech software based on my personal usage experience. If you're interested in trying it out for yourself, links to the product are included in the description below. WellSaid Labs is a text-to-speech platform that focuses on providing high-quality, natural-sounding AI voices. It's designed for professionals in industries like e-learning, advertising, content creation, and even accessibility, offering a streamlined way to convert written content into realistic audio. One of the standout features of WellSaid Labs is its AI voice quality. The platform utilizes deep learning technology to generate highly expressive and human-like voices, making it an excellent tool for content creators who need audio that feels natural and engaging. WellSaid Labs offers a range of voices across multiple languages and accents, which gives users plenty of flexibility in choosing the tone and style that best fits their project. Whether you need a formal tone for a corporate video or a friendly, casual sound for a podcast, WellSaid provides a range of voices that can be customized for different needs. Another key feature is the voice cloning option, which allows users to create a custom voice. This is perfect for brands looking to maintain consistency in their audio content across different mediums. For those who want full control over their audio, WellSaid Labs also includes adjustable settings such as speed, pitch, and emphasis, allowing you to fine-tune the speech output to suit specific requirements. The platform is cloud-based, meaning you can access your content from anywhere and collaborate with teams in real time. In terms of pricing, WellSaid Labs operates on a subscription model with different tiers based on usage and features. While it might be on the pricier side, the premium voices and customization options make it a valuable investment for businesses and professionals who need top-tier audio for their projects. Overall, WellSaid Labs delivers impressive results in terms of quality, ease of use, and customization. It's a powerful tool for anyone looking to create high-quality, human-like audio from text. Check out the links in the description for more details, and thank you for watching.